welcome to a new video of NCERT textbook class 11th exercise 1.4. This consists of the topic operations on set, union, intersection, difference, all these operations, and we are going to see their practice questions. We have covered this in the previous videos. Please go and have a look there in the playlist. This content can be also used by NIOS students for practice operation on sets. So before starting the video, I would like you to subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and share it with your friends. So let's start. So we are doing the exercise 1.4. In this one, you have to find the union of each of the following pair of sets. So already we have learned what a set is, and we have also learned what a union operation does. So let's have a recap of that. Sets, we are given with two sets. Basically here two sets are given. Union, what it does is take all the elements from the first set and the second set. This is the first set, this is the second set. Take all the elements from this set and all the elements from the second set, combine, but the repeated items or the repeated elements will be taken only once. It is represented by the symbol U, or a symbol similar to this U. So this is what a union is. This is how we find out union of two pair of sets. Let's go to the question. How to do it? Let's see. First one is 1, 3 and 5, and the second set is 1, 2 and 3. So you can see one is common here. So your resulting set of X union Y will have 1 only once. Then comes 2, then comes 3 and 5. So 1 and 3 is repeated in both. So we take it only once. So all other elements are present like this. So your resulting set will be 4 element set of X union Y. Let's see the next question. A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C. To find out the union of both of them, A union B, we have to write A, E, I, O, U. All the elements from the first set, and check anything is remaining in the second one which is not included. B and C also to be included. So this is the resulting set. It's natural number and multiple of 3. So 3, 6, 9, 3, 4 are 12, like that it goes on. Second one is natural number less than 6. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. So these are the two sets given to you. You have to find out their union. So A union B will give you combination of these two. That means natural number less than 6 or a multiple of 3. Okay, you can say natural numbers less than 6 or multiple of 3, both are included. Okay, next question is X is a natural number and this is the range given. X in the range of 1 to less than or equal to 6. And here is another this one. So A is equal to natural number. X is in this range. So it will be 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And B is equal to natural number and X is in the range of 7, 8, 9. Okay. So when you find the union of both, it will be A union B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So this is the result. Let's see the last question, that is 1, 2, 3 and 5 or an empty set. So in that case it will be 1, 2, 3 set, or the set A itself is the result for the fifth question. Second question is, let A be this set and B be this set. Is A a subset of B? Yes, because the elements of A is contained in B. All the elements of A is available in B set. That's why you say yes for this question. And what is A union B? If you take A union B, it will be A, B and C. Next one is, if A and B are two sets such that A a subset of B, then what is A union B? So it will be always B. You have seen the previous example where the elements of A are available in the set B. Okay, so that's why the B will be the resulting set. We have seen the example in the previous question itself. Let's see some questions of this. Fourth question says A is a given set, B is another set, C is another set and D is another set. So find A union B. Very easy. A and B union you have to find by writing the elements of A and writing the elements of B and the repeated elements once. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That will be the resulting answer of A union B. Same way, do A union C, B union C and B union D. The solutions are similar but answers will be different. So do try it out. Next one is A union B union C. So it will be, already you have done A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is A union B. And you have to find now union C. That means 5, 6, 7, 8 are the elements of C. So in that case, for this result it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 5 and 6 are repeated in both the sets, so it will be taken only once. This is the resulting solution of your fifth question. Similarly, you can do sixth and seventh question as well. So now we are doing the fifth question, that is find the intersection of each pair of sets of question 1 above. So you have seen the previous question, the same exercise you have to do using the intersection symbol. So we are doing the sixth question now. You can try this fifth question for practice. Now what is intersection? So for intersection you have got two sets with some elements. In that case you have to take only the common elements as the result of intersection. That is what intersection is. It is different from union and it is represented by the symbol like this, opposite of your union. Okay, if you are given with a question like this, now we are doing sixth question. Fifth, try out, and if you get a difficulty please do comment. Now A has some elements, B has some elements, C has some elements, and D has some elements. You have to find A intersection B. A intersection B means A and B sets you have to find which is common. So if you see A and B set, it will be 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. So 7, 9 and 11 are common in both the sets. So your result of this will be 3, 7, 9 and 11. That will be the resulting set, A intersection B. Same way you have to do B intersection C. Take these two elements into consideration. Question it is B union A intersection B union C. So first find out what is B union C. B union C will be 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15 since it is union. Okay, now A intersection B union C should give you the common elements from both the sets. So this is A and B union C is this one. So if you consider these two sets, the intersection of both or the result will be 7 is common, 9 is common and 11 is common. 7, 9 and 11. 3 elements are common in all the elements. Okay. So this is the result of your sixth question. Hope you understood how to do this. For this question, first find out what is A intersection B, find out B union C, and then the resulting two sets that you will get, find out its union. So this is how you do the ninth question. Same way you have to do the 10th question also. Now if you have reached till this, I would like you to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up if you liked the content. Let's move on to the next question. Seventh question, that is, A says it's a set where x are the elements and x is a natural number. That means it starts with 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. So this is A set. B set says it is even natural number. That means it starts with 2, then goes on 4, 6, 8 like that. C set says it is an odd natural number. That means natural number but odd. So 1, 3, 5, 7 like that. Then comes your D, that is it is a prime number. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 like that. Okay, these are the 4 sets given to you. Now you have to find A intersection B. So A set is this and B set is this. Find out their intersection. So intersection will be the set of natural number which are even. That means B set will be the result of this one. Even natural numbers. So since intersection, common elements are 2, 4, 6 and 8 like that. It consists all the natural numbers. It consists only even natural numbers. Resulting set will be the set similar to your B set. Okay. Then next one is A intersection C. Again, A and C you have to keep in mind. A, this is A set and this is C set. In that, what is common? In that you will get common odd elements, odd natural numbers. So it will be similar to your C set. Same way, try doing all the questions. In the fourth question, if you see B intersection C, B set is this one and C set is this one. Even natural number, odd natural number. They won't have anything common. So you will get disjoint as the or empty set as the result. Okay. So try the other question as well and do comment if you have got doubts. Next question is, which of the following pairs of sets are disjoint? What is the meaning of disjoint? It means when you do or find out the intersection of both the sets, you will not have any element common or it will be an empty set. So let's see the first question. 1, 2, 3, 4 the first set, and the second set has natural numbers and the range is given to you. That is 4, 5, 6. So these are the elements in your second set. See the first and the second set. What do you get? Do you get any common elements? Yes, we get 4 as the common element in both the sets. So this set is not disjoint set, not disjoint. Okay, if you see the second question, again you will have E as a common element in the set. So again this is not a disjoint set. In the third set, if you see, it's an even integer and an odd integer. So even integer and odd integer, if you find the common in them, you will never get the same thing because even and odd are totally opposite of each other. So this is a disjoint set where you don't have any elements which are common in both the sets. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This is the next question, that is ninth question. In this one, you have to find the difference. So set operation is difference of set. So to understand what a difference of set is, you have to know that you have got a set A and another set B is given. What you have to do is the elements available in the first set, that is A. If you need to get A minus B, the set A has elements and B has elements. Subtract or remove the elements of B from A. Consider 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20 are the elements of your first set. In the second set, you have the elements 2, 3, 10, 20. In that case, if you want to find A minus B, you have to find out, and the result will be 2, 3, 10 and 20. 2, 3, 10, 20, remove them, and the rest of the elements are 1, 4 and 5. So this is the resulting set of A minus B, or A difference of these two sets. Okay, the same way if you do for B minus A, it will be different, it won't be same. So take care. of that. This is how you have to do all these questions. A minus B and B minus A, both will be different. So sets are given here, A, B, C and D. Take that into account and do it. To this question, here you have set A and set B. So x minus y, that means y element should be removed from x. So F, B, D, B, D, G, B, D and G. So others are not available. Resulting set will be A comma C. Here it is y minus x. So remove x from y, that means A, B, C, D. These two has to be removed. The resulting set will be F and G. Next one is x intersection y. So in this, what are the common elements you have? That is B and D. They are the next question is, if R is a set of real numbers and Q is a set of rational numbers, then what is R minus Q? That means from real number, remove off the rational numbers. So if you remove off the rational numbers, you will be remaining with all the irrational numbers. So it will be set of irrational numbers will be the solution of R minus Q. This question says, state whether the following statements are true or false, justify. So the first set is 2, 3, 4 and 5, 3 and 6. You have to find their intersection and tell if the resulting set is a disjoint set. In that case, first 3 is common in this one. So 3 set is available, so that's why it's not a disjoint set. Next question, if you see, second question, A, I, O, U and A, B, C, D. In that case, A is common in this set. So again, intersection doesn't give us a disjoint set. Next question is 2, 6, 10, 14, 3, 7, 11, 15. Nothing is common, and that's why when you find the intersection of these two, you will not get any common elements. So we call this set as disjoint set, or we can say this can represent like this. And here also you don't have anything common, so it is a disjoint set. Hope you understood how to do these questions where it involves the operations on the sets, basically difference, union, intersection. If you found the video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends so that they can use the content. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.